Hi everyone, this is Johnny here. Welcome back to my YouTube channel. So today I'm going to be unboxing this one. Yes, from Taotronics. Alright, and the particular one is actually the Sound Liberty 77. This one is actually I bought from, I think, Lazada. I think a couple of weeks ago when there was an offer. Alright, I bought it for around like 17 Singapore dollars. So you can see from here, it's called the Sound Liberty 77 True Wireless Stereo Earbuds with the code name TT-BH077. Right. App, everything is Bluetooth. Okay, let's get into it. The other one is actually, let me just open up this one first. Oh, it's a note, it's a sticky note. Nice, smooth, Taotronic. Thank you, this is a sticky note. Alright, I'll use it for other things. Alright, other than that, let's get into it. Open from the top. The way they made this is the same as their logo. See here? This one and this one, when you try to put it up, see here? Yeah. Like paperwork. What else is inside? This one. Okay, let's open up. So it's actually the charging cable, and this is the spare ear tips, as you can see here. And we get into the main body. Ooh. Wow, huge logo name, Taotronics. I like the finishing. Yeah, this you see. So the rest of the body, besides other than the logo, see that? Like the sound. Oh yeah. Alright, so other than the logo here, the rest of it is actually matte finishing, you can see from here. Right, and then I think these are the 4 LED lights which indicates it. Let's see what happens when I plug in. So I have a micro USB charger here. Let's plug it into it and see what happens. Okay. So the 4 LED light will actually light up and it will actually run starting from the left to the right. Okay, so it will be a running LED lights to indicate that it's actually charging. Okay, so let's flip the lid open and let's close it. Okay, nice. So there's a magnet underneath the lid here in the middle. Alright, so it will close it here in the middle here, this part. Right, so you see, right? Okay, so when you open up the lid, okay, so that is a two-part. Okay, so when you open up, it's this level. You need to flip it further back. Okay, there is some resistance here, but you can flip it back. Yeah, then here, there's nothing more. Alright, so nice. So flip it open more. Alright, so I think this one is the serial number here. Okay, right, let's try to pull it out. This is the left. Right, the Taotronic logo here. Take out the right side. Okay, right earbud and the Taotronic logo here. Okay, let's remove the sticker. Right, let's put the earbuds back into the casing and then we see what happens. So you can see here, the 3 dots on the left earbud matches with the 3 pins here. Ooh, do you see that? The the blue LED light actually came on. Okay, let's do it again. On the right side, 3 pins. The 3 dots here matches the 3 pins here. These are the charging magnets. Ooh, you see? Right. Okay. So with that dim it, you see? Dim it. You see? Yeah. Nice. Nice detail. Nice attention to detail. Alright, so what I'll do is this. I will actually leave the earbuds to charge for a few moments, and then after that we will actually test the basic functionality. Okay, catch you guys later. Alright, so as we wait for the Tautronic earbuds, alright, the Sound Liberty 77 to charge, let's go through the quick startup guide, which we'll be doing it later. So this was what we did earlier. We took out the earbuds, the left and the right, and then we actually removed the sticker, and then we put it back into the case. Step number 2. Yep, we're charging it right now. Okay, so it can actually be charged directly from a computer or laptop, or alright, a wall plug. Alright, power adapter. Okay, and then you charge it up, going by Bluetooth left and right. And then this is what we'll be doing later. It even shows you how to put the earbuds in. Right, very nice. And then at the back, okay, even shows you different color, what it means. So over here, if you see a black with 2S, it means a long press for 2 seconds. You see a white with an X1, it means tap once. You will see a grey with an X2, it means tap twice. If you see a black with an X3, it means tap 3 times. Right. Okay, so this is for connecting. Okay. And then for music. Okay, it has built-in audio, built-in volume control. Very nice. Okay, so it can do pause and play on either. 3 taps on the left for previous track, 3 taps on the right for next track. Okay, we'll test it out later. Step number 6. This is for phone calls. Press 1 on either for answer. Press 2 on either for end. To reject call, 2 seconds long press. And then this is for the Google Assistant, Siri or Alexa. Alright, if you're not in use, just put it back into the casing. Very straightforward. I like it that it's all in picture. You see? No words. It's one of the few user manual which I've seen here that, I mean, yeah, has very little words. Nice. Alright, so we'll test it out later. Alright, catch you guys later. See ya. Alright, so I actually realized that the back of this thank you card is actually to register the Tautronic Sound Liberty 77 with the website. Right, nice. So I'm actually going to do it, and then I'm going to register this. It'll give me an additional 1 year of warranty. Alright, I'll see you guys later.
A few moments later.
Alright guys, I actually just registered the warranty for the Sound Liberty 77 from Tautronics. It's very easy. You just need to select, I mean, if you're like me or from Singapore, you just need to select that I actually purchase it from Lazada, and I input the Lazada order number, and then done. It will automatically give me a maximum 2-year warranty. 2 years of warranty. That's very nice. Alright. The earbuds are still charging. I'll be back in a moment to test the functionality. See you guys later.
A few moments later.
Hello. So we have charged the Tautronic Sound Liberty 77 for a couple of minutes now. It has a bit of juice inside. So let's actually take out the earbuds and test the functionality. Now, one thing I know from the user manual is that once you open the lid halfway, this way, right, immediately, wait, let me close it again. open, it immediately power on the earbuds. Alright, so when you want to take it out, you just push it back slightly, you can take it out. Okay, so you can take out actually either of the earbuds. Alright, and you'll be able to pair it instantly. I'm just going to wear the earbuds here so that I can hear them. I'm going to just refresh the list. Alright, so you see here, Tautronic, Sound Liberty 77, tap on it. Alright, so it's connected. It will just instantly, just about 1 or 2 seconds, it will say connected on both the left and the right. So let's go into over here. Alright, so let's start playing. So I'm trying to test the volume up and volume down. So I'm currently trying to volume up by pressing one time. So when you press it one time, you'll hear a dudum, volume will go up. Let me try on the left side, volume down. So for volume down, there's no additional sound effects. So the volume will just keep going down. Alright, let's go up again. Okay, I'm going to try the play, pause and play, which is double tap. So this is pause. I'm going to try play again on the right side. Okay, it's playing now. So gonna play and pause on the left side. Okay, it plays. Very nice. Right, so what I'm gonna do now is I'm gonna try to go to the next track, which is triple tap on the right side. I'm gonna try it. Next track. Very good. You can see here very clearly. Okay, now I'm gonna go to the previous track by triple tap on the left. Very good. Very good. Let me try again. Triple tap on the right for the next track. Very good. Very good. Right. So this has been the initial setup of the Tautronic. I'm gonna pause the music for now so that otherwise I won't be able to hear my own voice. Alright, I'm gonna pause. Alright, that's good. Okay. I'm gonna put back into this casing. Alright. So this has actually been my unboxing and the initial setup of the Tautronic Sound Liberty 77 wireless earbud. I'm going to be testing it for the next 1 week, the next couple of days to 1 week, and see how it does. Alright, so that's all the time we have today. My name is Johnny, and I'll see you in the next one. Bye bye.